Picture yourself living in this turn-of-the-century home with exposed brick, beautiful tall ceilings, and an open layout. This home was completely remodeled in 2014, and the current owners have done numerous upgrades throughout. Let me show you the attic, a huge unfinished space with major opportunities. With 2 large dormers in the attic, there's room for a master bedroom, and you could also add a bathroom back here. In the backyard, there's a secure off-street parking area with a gate on wheels and room to build a 2-car garage. The backyard is an urban oasis with lush grass, sandstone patio, garden beds, and outdoor lighting. Stop by the open house on Sunday, January 27th from noon to 3 to get a sneak peek before this goes on the market on January 30th, and contact me with any additional questions.